Please don't remain absent for any of the lecture. Last moment will be crucial every time. In case you have issue like Nija said, you don't keep today evening, but keep tomorrow. So all your welcomes, suggestion I will welcome it. It should be proper suggestion, but don't cancel, bunk any of the lecture. Last minute, as I said, is wind up of the lectures. So last moment, if you either land up wrong or catch the wrong bus, you will be at the wrong track. So please don't miss any of the class. In case you have any issue, please let me know so that I will adjust the class. Right. A device which converts high frequency oscillating radio signals are called as oscillators. It converts DC to AC. Written?
Yes, sir.
Next, feedback. Feedback. Have you ever given any feedback?
Yes, sir.
In restaurants, many times they ask feedback, na? मतलब हम लोग ही खाना खाएंगे और हम ही फीडबैक देंगे ना?
Yes.
So a device which uses its own output as input is called as feedback. When lecture में you are writing, you are only writing ना? And you are only going to study. तो अपना खुद का आउटपुट वापस डालेंगे ना दिमाग में. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So what is meaning of feedback? When output of its own is taken as input, then process is called as feedback. मतलब अपना ही नोटबुक से मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा हूं, मैंने ही लिखा था, तो अपना ही आउटपुट फिर से आई एम पुटिंग इन माय ब्रेन. That means my own output I am taking as input again. That process is called as feedback. Right, meaning of feedback. College vacation you have till 31st?
Till 3rd.
Till 3rd year vacation. The 31st is Friday. So I think morning lecture you are comfortable if you are not going out.
Yes, sir.
Wednesday I will start revision of life. Complete then say.
Done, sir.
There are two types of feedback. First, positive feedback. When output signal and input signal are in phase with each other, then feedback is called as positive feedback. The phase difference between input and output is 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, ... Right, positive feedback.
Sir?
You all please register for vaccine. 15 to 18 now it has started. Please register it so that before your exam you all are vaccinated properly. Yes, somebody was saying something. I think Avan was saying.
सर कल के टेस्ट में लॉजिक गेट्स के क्वेश्चन भी आए थे.
हाँ आए थे क्योंकि सेमीकंडक्टर मैंने कंप्लीट नहीं किया बट पेपर सेट कर दिया था. So I will consider that. Don't worry. That was full length paper, so it was included, but that will be considered. Don't worry. Complete this positive feedback. स्टेट बोर्ड के लिए नहीं है ये टॉपिक ऑसिलेटर, ये एमसीक्यू के लिए है. ब्रैकेट में लिख दो नॉट टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर स्टेट बोर्ड और बोर्ड एग्जाम. थोड़ा फटाफट करो.
डन सर.
ओके. नेगेटिव फीडबैक. When output signal and input signal are in opposite phase, then feedback is said to be negative. Right. Today logic gate I will complete today for you.
डन सर.
Block diagram for feedback circuit. It consists of basically two units, amplifier and feedback circuit. So this is amplifier. This one is feedback circuit. It is made up of inductor and capacitance. This is input given. Here we get output. So V input, V output. Apna output it takes as an input and gives to this signal. This is called feedback circuit. Basically, it has two units, amplifier and feedback. Again, draw the diagram. Done?
डन सर.
Okay. Positive feedback oscillator. So this is amplifier feedback circuit. Along with this, there is one more circuit called as mixer. This output is given to input. So here part of output is obtained from feedback circuit. This is signal given. It is superimposed. If this is input signal and this is in same phase, then crest, trough will go to this amplifier as input. That type of feedback is called positive. So input signal and this feedback signal, they are in phase. So resultant is in the crest and trough format, same form, and given to the input. That is called positive feedback. Draw diagram. Once you have completed, tell me. Negative feedback oscillator. So this time the signal and this input, they are in opposite phase. So if crest is more, you will get this as output. If trough is more, trough will be output. दोनों type का signal जा सकता है. That is called negative feedback. So signal and this two feedback wala part, they are in opposite phase. Their resultant can be first crest, can be first trough. Right.
Done, sir.
Obtain condition for sustained oscillation. Means again we'll get output that is called sustained oscillation. Let AV, or you can say only A, let A be the voltage gain. Without feedback. Let A be the voltage gain without feedback. That means we have only amplifier circuit. So A will be output upon input. First equation. Let AF be voltage gain with feedback. Therefore, for positive feedback, signal voltage V input is signal voltage plus feedback voltage. So it is signal plus part of output. Therefore, signal will be V input minus part of out. Copy till this. Signal plus feedback is given input to the amplifier with feedback help.
Done, sir.
Therefore, AF means output with feedback will be output upon signal. So this is VI minus of beta times VO. So VO upon VI, VI upon VI minus VO upon VI. We are dividing numerator denominator by VI. So AF equals to A upon 1 minus A into beta. So if there is feedback with oscillator, it will be A upon 1 minus A beta. Beta is the multiplier. Thus, for sustained oscillation, first, the feedback must be positive. Second, if A into beta becomes 1, then denominator will become 0.
Yes.
That means answer will be infinity.
Yes.
So that means feedback will be infinite times. So second condition, A into beta should tend to 1 or nearly 1. This condition equal to 1, or you can say close to 1. This condition is called as Barkhausen criterion. So sometimes they can ask which one of the following in oscillator is Barkhausen criterion. A into beta should be 1. So copy till this for only MCQ. oscillator completed. Now only the last part left out, that is logic gates. Complete this, then I'm starting that logic gates.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next study. What is meaning of signal? Signal means what? When we say signal, any information converted into form of wave useful in communication system, like temperature, sound, converted into wave form useful in communication are called as signals. How many types of signal are there? Do you know this? There are two types of signals. First is called as analog signal. In this, current or voltage is always time varying sinusoidal wave as shown. This is analog sinusoidal format. Write down. Current or voltage is always time varying sinusoidal wave. It is as shown.
Done, sir.
Okay. Analog means time varying function. Then digital signal. So in logic gate, we are going to deal with this type of signal, digital signal. So a signal, either voltage or current, which can have only two discrete values, are called as digital signal. What is meaning of discrete? Anybody knows meaning of discrete? Not continuous is called decrease. 0, 1, 2, 3. This number are called discrete. 1 to 5 continuous means 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 ऐसा भी रहेगा. उसको बोलते हैं continuous. But after 1, if we jump to directly 2, from 2 to 3, then they are called discrete signal. So two discrete values are called as digital signal. Now we'll see what discrete values. So in digital circuit, the output voltage can have only two states. Can have only two states. State means values. Two state, and that means values. That is either low, which is called 0 volt, or high, which is plus 5 volt. Right now, meaning of digital circuit. So sometimes they can ask, low in digital circuit means what? It is 0. And high means what? Plus 5.
So what is it after 2?
States. Two states. Two states. Digital circuits. And electronic circuits. So many times you might have seen oximeter, thermometer, blood pressure measuring device. Nowadays they are digital. So you can see all the digits, 1, 2, aisa digit. No? So they are electronic circuits. And electronic circuits that handles only a digital signal is called as digital circuits. Digital electronics. The branch of electronics which deals with digital circuits is called digital electronics. The branch of electronics which deals with digital circuits is called as digital electronics. Hello? Yeah. Now. Okay. मुझे इंटरेस्ट हुआ
Done, sir.
Okay. Logic. See, some society have My Gate app, na? My Gate app. Any of your society is having?
Yes, sir.
What they do in that app? There must be some logical thinking, na, in that in that app.
Yes, sir.
Means if person is known, he will be allowed. If not, he will not be allowed. And the watchman, he will call to that person. ऐसा कुछ उसमें ऐप होता है ना?
हाँ सर.
मतलब वो लॉजिक डिसीजन लेता है ना कुछ तो.
Yes, sir.
Now 31st, you will celebrate or you will not celebrate. What should be the logic?
Celebrate.
मैं तो ऐसा बोलूंगा. एग्जाम है प्रीलिम्स, डोंट सेलिब्रेट. नो एग्जाम, विल सेलिब्रेट. सो डोंट सेलिब्रेट को मैं 0 बोलूंगा, सेलिब्रेट को 1 बोलूंगा. ये मेरा लॉजिक होएगा. दूसरे का लॉजिक, 31st लास्ट डे ऑफ ईयर ऑलवेज सेलिब्रेट. उसका लॉजिक हो गया ना.
Yes, sir.
तो ऐसा अलग अलग टाइप का गेट applications are there based on logic decision. So what is logic gate? Let us see. Who told that they will celebrate 31st? कोई तो बोला सेलिब्रेट करेंगे 31st. रीजनिंग में. Oh, Avan, you said, no, I think.
Yes, yes.
Acha. See, there was your logical thinking. You are not wrong. But there are chances you will think कि 31st थोड़ी अपना Indian culture है, तो foreign वाले का culture है.
Yes, sir. Depends.
Their pattern is what? 5 days they work, 2 days holiday, Saturday, Sunday. This is throughout year. In between they don't have holiday. Then their logic is from 1 year to new year you are transiting, then take 7 days leave and enjoy. उनका ऐसा कल्चर है. अपने इधर है ऐसा. अपने इधर तो गणपति का छुट्टी है, 15th August है, 26th है, रक्षाबंधन. So many things are there. So for us this logic is actually not true. उनके लिए बराबर है. ये तो ऐसा हो गया ना, जो डाइट पे है वो कभी चीट डे सेलिब्रेट कर सकता है ना हितार्थ.
यस सर.
लेकिन जो रोज ही सब कुछ खाता है उसके लिए क्या चीट डे है? वो तो रोज चीटर है ना. So actually this foreign culture of 31st is not for us. For us it is what? Ganpati vacation, this is for us. Diwali vacation, this is for us. Dasra vacation, this is for us. हम लोग इसके साथ साथ वो भी मजा ले लेते हैं ना 31st वाला. बट एक्चुअली रिक्वायर्ड है क्या? You tell me. No, ये खाली trend set हो गया ना. It is required when you are stressful throughout the year. Going into new year, अपना पिछला साल का stress waste खत्म कर दो and then enter. अपने लिए तो हमेशा stress buster है ना. मतलब few logics are not true for everybody. So same way we have to prepare gates, assuming कौन सा logic किसके लिए true है. चलो start करते हैं. First, what is meaning of logic gate? Many of your dad may be running business, huh? Isha? Isha? Isha, you're there? Isha Kedia? Hello, Isha? Isha, you're there? Vaibhav? Hello, Vaibhav? Anay, Aryan?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Some of your parents might be doing some business, huh? सिद्धार्थ आपके डैडी का बिजनेस है?
हाँ सर.
Very often he take leaves,
Sir, every Sunday.
but other than Sunday, no, he is more committed to his work. हाँ? फिर एक ईयर में प्लान करते हैं 7 days का लीव लेंगे ना ऐसा.
हाँ.
मतलब ये लीव वाला कल्चर भी वेरीज फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन. So logic gate will also have logic depending upon conditions. A digital circuit means what? When I say a digital circuit, what does it mean? It takes only two input. One is 0, other is 1. Huh? Hello.
Yes. Sir.
Yes. So a digital circuit with one or more input signals in discrete form 0 1. A digital circuits with one or more input signals but only one output signal. A digital circuits with one or more input signals but only one output signal is called as logic gate. Right, definition of logic gate. It is switching circuit. मतलब on off होता है. It is switching circuit that follows certain logical relationship between input and output voltages. Hence, generally called as logic gate. They control the flow of signal. Shall I clear it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So digital circuit with one or more input but only one output is called as logic gate. They follow certain logical condition. That's why logic gates gate, because they allow to flow of signal or information. There are 5 common logic gates. First, OR gate. Second, AND gate. Then one by one we'll study. NOT gate, NOR gate, NAND gate. These are 5 common logic gates. Boolean expression. Meaning of this: the mathematical statement that provides the relationship. The mathematical statement that provides the relationship between the input and output of a logic gate. The mathematical statement that provides the relationship between input and output of logic gate is called as Boolean expression. Right. Now one by one we'll see all the gates.
Done, sir.
Okay. So first one we are doing OR gate. Suppose you are given 3 options: physics, chemistry, maths. तो और का मतलब क्या? सब में क्या कोई भी एक चलेगा?
कोई भी एक.
कोई भी है.
Yes. So that means suppose I have got a circuit with 2 resistance like this. 2 resistors. और इधर एक बैटरी करंट. If this is broken, will the circuit work or not? Tell me. This is broken. It will work. Current ऐसा जाके ऐसा जाएगा ना. If second is broken, then it will work. This is broken. Will it work?
Yes.
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 And both are closed, then also it will work. Both closed.
Yes.
But both open, then it will not work, no?
Yes.
So can I say OR gate is like 2 bulbs connected in parallel?
Yes.
One blows off, still it will work. Only when both are not functioning, then only it will not work. Huh?
Yes.
That type of gate is called OR gate. OR gate. It produces output of one when either of input, मतलब कोई भी एक input is 1. Either of input or both input is 1. Or both is 1. Symbolically see what it is. This is one input, two input, but only one output. Why? It's Boolean expression. Y is equals to A plus B. So always its symbolic notation is plus. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0, 1. High is also high. This is the basic logic around this. Just write this, then truth table will see. Logic gates is very simple topic. Maths जैसा है थोड़ा. I think in maths you have Boolean algebra.
Yes, sir, logics.
लॉजिक है तो यही है वो. उधर खाली पैटर्न कुछ अलग होगा, इधर सिंबॉलिक नोटेशन है. सेम भी रह सकता है. आई डोंट रिमेंबर.
Similar है थोड़ा.
So it is same in CS as well.
Yes.
So that means wherever you are using digital circuit, electronic circuit, the same thing will come out. Once you complete, tell me.
Done,
That's
sir.
Okay, now truth table. So in board exam, they can ask you for 2 marks, draw symbolic notation, write Boolean expression and truth table of any one gate. And in entrance, they will show a gate, they will ask you the outputs. So A is my one input, B is another input, and Y is my output, which is written as A plus B. Both 0, no output. First one, second 0, we get output. First 0, second, we get output. Both 1, 1, we get output. This is truth table, right?
Done.
Second one, and gate. And means all when is giving you high output, then only it will function. ये series connection जैसा है. एक भी उड़ गया तो उड़ गया. मतलब कोई PCM ट्राई कर रहा है, कोई PCB. एक भी सब्जेक्ट खराब गया ना तो पूरा रिजल्ट खराब हो जाता है. So nobody can say खाली biochemistry पढ़ के I will get admission in good colleges in NEET. And nobody can say only by physics chemistry I will get good college of engineering. So here PCM is important, here PCB, all are equally important. That is like our AND gate. Only if you come to my home, I give a party and give you chapatis to eat, you will be able to eat. आप बोले सर इसके साथ दाल सांभर कुछ तो दो ना, क्या ऐसा दे दिया, खाली इडली दे दिया तो आप बोले ना चटनी भी दो ना साथ में. That means it is combo of all. That is AND gate. So symbolically it is represented like this. B जैसा है थोड़ा. Inputs A and B. Output suppose Y. Boolean expression. Y equals to A dot B. Because in multiplication, anything is 0, answer will become 0. Now truth table. A, B, Y. Both 0, 0. 1, 0, also 0. 0. Both 1, 1, you will get output. I hope follow truth table.
Yes.
Super. Good. उधर से तो वो नहीं है, वो स्विच से आया. हाँ, स्विच से आया. हाँ वही. चले क्लियर.
Done, sir.
Okay. Not third one. Not मतलब not ना. Not means नहीं. So when I say 0, you say नहीं 1. That means it will invert my output. Correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So it's the most basic one. It inverts the input. Hence also called as inverter. Symbol is one triangle and there is one circle here. Circle indicates inverter. It has only one input and one output. So A will become complement. It's inverter. Boolean expression Y equals to complement of this. It is also written as dash. Truth table. A, Y, 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0. Written as dash or bar. Right, truth table. जल गया ना. और बंद नहीं करते तो दूसरे को पकड़ सकता है. डायरेक्ट करके. अच्छा. हाँ. ठीक है. वो तो अच्छा हो गया, ये नहीं जला ना कॉइल इसका. नहीं वो फिर हाँ वो अच्छा हुआ. नहीं तो कभी कभी क्या पंखा चलने की वजह से ये जलता. हाँ बोलो. तो आपका जो है ना जलना है.
Done, sir.
Fourth, NOR gate. Means opposite of OR is called as NOR gate. It consists of OR and NOT gates connected together. Symbol. This is OR, NOT. This is equivalent to this way diagram. Here there is circle. Boolean expression. This is A plus B inverted or A plus B dash. Write this much, then truth table will see. Then
Done.
OR we did, AND we did, NOT we did, then NOR. Now fifth one, NAND. Symbol and then NOT together. Or it can be just AND with your bubble. So sometimes they can ask very simple thing, what this bubble indicates in the circuit. That is nothing but inversion. So Boolean expression. Y is equals to A dot B complement or A dot B dash. Truth table. Zero, 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 one, 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0. Copy.
Done, sir.
Okay. Last bit, huh? Exclusive or, also denoted as XOR gate. Here output will be only available if any one input is 1. Both 0, both 1, we can't get output. The output is obtained only when one input is high. Symbol. This way it is shown. A, B, Y. Boolean expression. Here the output Y is A plus B. We circle it. This is symbol. That is same as A complement dot B plus A dot B complement. This is symbol. A complement dot B plus A dot B complement. Write this and truth table. After this, just 4 specially designed diodes are left out. In one more lecture, we'll be able to complete that.
Done.
Done, sir.
Okay. Truth table. A, B, Y is A plus B circle. This is symbol. Will give output only when both the inputs are not same. 0, 0, no output. 1, 0, 1 output. 0, 1, 1 output. Both 1, 1, no output. So,
Done, sir.
so that's all for today. Today evening there is no lecture, as I think one of the students